Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The works which are in progress of construction of primary health centers, community health centers, our hospitals, GMC hospital and so many other works which are going on. We will complete them successfully and also take up new projects in a lot of villages of Goa, and especially the remote villages of Goa, in the rural Goa, where infrastructure is required to be done. And I am very thankful to all the staff who have greeted me today, and I have shown them that, given them a confidence that we will work together as a team. We will work with all the MLAs of the state of Goa, and whatever clearances we get from the finance department and the Honorable Chief Minister, we will start the works over there on priority in those constituencies. Especially all PHCs, CHCs, these are very important thing to be upgraded in the state of Goa, which GSIDC can take up.